Guest of today's inaugural function of State Krisi Bela 2025 has just arrived. Mayamna kubak ahawga bukubinaba nalukje.
थोड़ा पीछे से ले लो ना थोड़ा सर
कहाँ से लाए छोटे वाले This is khobal. Natural farming. When you say what do you explain करेंगे?
Components are all natural, sir. And then that means
chemicals वगैरह use नहीं करते हैं.
How do you differentiate organic and natural?
in case of organic, we are using organic amendments, but in case of natural
Naturally, you're not
farming,
using anything else.
yeah, we are recycling from all the byproducts from farms.
Which is that study from fish farm. तो सिखाया गया
They are doing different varieties, in medium, deep water.
How did you learn? Who taught you people to do it like natural farming? Like a poultry shed becoming a feed also for this thing, fish feed.
You are doing the training.
Did you attend training or something?
Yes, sir. We have sent for some training, sir. CAU in fact is the training partner. CAU is providing the training.
Basket bagi bagi ada proposal di estimate.
This is
Unique
chili.
Yes, sir. Asta value is very high. Red, sir. Red, yes. This is highest.
It's very pungent.
not very aromatic.
Flavor is good.
So purely organic. We try to rigorously maintain the quality.
Pink chili.
No, chili is this pink chili is that's right.
So the season is not has come not yet come.
Want to give helpful and one.
Thank you.
One for the.
Species of this is of mushroom. And where is your district? Nepal East. So you are cultivating mushrooms in a he is chips and all. But you sell mushrooms also.
I know. I don't have to
Thank you.
Only from local, na? Local.
This is also क्या प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? बहुत आप अरे छोड़ दो यार बहुत हो गया बस
Global district.
State government.
It's on the state.
State, no?
Yes, sir. The rice pillar. No, sir. We have more volunteers. There we. Yes, sir. Yes,
You have
sir.
registered all these varieties?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
छोड़ दीजिए अभी बाद में फिर ले लेंगे
So this is a product from Chandel, sir.
चंदेर वेरी
Mendengar.
Hello.
ꯅꯪ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯣ.
This is the indigenous face of Manipur, sir. One is Pengba and one Nathon. It's very highly priced.
Tissue culture banana.
This is tissue culture banana, sir. This is very good.
Sir, all the in all the world, in the India and all that, we are doing tissue culture for Grand 9, which is not a local variety. Yes, but this is Maitai Hai. This is a local cultivar of Manipur, and it's very.
Is it white?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's a white.
Yield rice.
Yield, sir, we have not done the trials yet, but because it's still not fruiting.
This is the millet, local millet from
Taste wise,
This one is good. People they prefer this Maitai Hai.
So this is
Millet collection from all
local
over.
millet from Ukhrul district, sir. This is not been registered. It's foxtail millet. Yes, sir.
There's a lot of variety of
No, sir. This is yes, sir. This is the local one, especially from.
This is Sudu millet, sir.
Major millet.
Manipur prefer sticky rice. We have released 11 rice varieties, and this is rice variety for duration, double cropping. And this is Chakao Manipur rice variety. This is by Manipur.
This one, the garlic one.
King chili, sir.
This is
More like capsicum.
so this is GI Tech chili from Ukhrul district. Yes, it's very famous and it's having a very high good
Style is color. ये सबसे important
Sold in what name? How do you pronounce that?
name of the village.
This one, sir, we have submitted to NPBGR New Delhi.
This is a local collection.
Then even EBBFRA also, sir. Farmer variety, sir.
So it is telling, yes, sir.
Sir, extract here, sir. Full in, sir, 6.4 came out. Sir. Very high,
Sir,
sir.
we have sent
This whole we have submitted to EBBFRA registration.
सर ये चूरा चांदपुर का जो लोकल बर्ड आई चली है
ये हमारा छोरा चांद bird eye.
Your gain fruit. Gain fruit.
These are some natural farming, sir. We are promoting right now under the aegis of the National Farming Mission, sir. And these are the activities under Empower District. And these are the value-added products which our farmers are producing.
So we are all doing this and we are promoting vocal for local to attain Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Very nice.
Lengya, the symbol of love and unity between the hills and valley of the state, and a floral bouquet. The guest of honor, Dr. Anupam Mishra, Vice Chancellor, Shri Arun Kumar Sinha, Dr. Anupam, Chancellor, Central Agricultural University.
Other dignitaries present, people from media. First of all, I extend a very warm welcome to Ajay Kumar Bhallaji, officers from ICR, CAU, KVKs, people from print and electronic media. Opportunity to bring farmers in direct contact, introduce innovation to the farmers, ideas to succeed in rapidly changing world. Nearly 53% of the state workforce engaged in it. It is therefore absolutely essential to give our complete to the large population of state.
Farm Missionary Bank, 9.5 lakh. Next, Matham the Lexing Bilaxi, Longpok Pupe Organ. Mathanga, Lexing Bilakani, Lomi Producer Company Limited Ki Mathanga, Irom Kumar Singh, Lesam Ken. Mathanga. Mayam the Kuba, Kuba, Kubina, Matanga, Matanga K. Aluha, Matanga LS Kaiso, Maiba, Honorable Governor Manipur, may we now request Matanga N. Nando Singh, Noba, Yumna Kuno, Mayai Lekai, Joke, Purum Chumbang Chan. Mandel, Bulen, Watri, Tamenglong, Power Tiller Yojana, per drop, Matanda. Thanks so much to the Vice Chancellor, Central Agricultural University. Nonne District Sprinkler Set. To promote the integrated farming which encourages farmers.
That how many people are doing agriculture and all. And this is an annual event which Department of Agriculture coordinates with other organizations to share knowledge, innovation and opportunity for our farmers. I also went around the stalls. There are lots of new things from different districts which can be promoted, which can be shared. Other farmers can also learn about it, and finally perhaps they can go back. Government efforts also of providing seeds, providing guidance, providing equipments and all. So agriculture, as I said, I mean, all of us know it's a way of life. It sustains our people and nurtures our country. So farmers are very, very important component of this society. In recent years, we have seen significant progress in the agriculture achievements. Farming techniques have changed, sustainable practices have come, small mechanical things one could see around, which makes the entrepreneurship much better. So there is, but still more needs to be done, and I expect that Agriculture Department, along with the Manipur State, has a privilege of a Central Agriculture University located here, which looks after all the northeastern states other than Assam. But Manipur should take advantage of this. Rather, I would like to say Manipur is famous for its sports people. We should become famous for some of our agriculture produce also. Krishi Mela, of course, is a good initiative which Agriculture Department undertakes. Modern techniques and all can be shared, as I said earlier. This event also ensures that farmers are well informed about government schemes, subsidies, financial support available to them, and it could be a one-stop destination for all the farmers. And those farmers who are not able to come, many people have come from different districts, they can go back and spread the message among their other farmers that what are the new things which are happening and what more we can do. One of the highlights of this event is the range of stalls, as I mentioned, shows products and other things of horticulture, fisheries, sericulture, forest, veterinary. ICR is there, Central Agriculture University, and KVK is there. Training farmers on the latest advancements in mechanization. Though it's sometimes it's a very small thing, but it helps the farmer. Take one example is taking honey out mechanically from a honeycomb, which takes few seconds. I was told that instead of very arduous and this thing of taking out honey from the honey. So each exhibit has a story of progress, resilience, vision, inspiring our farmers to adopt these modern techniques, which are not very expensive. Some of the problems which you encounter while doing your agri practices. Further, this event will ensure that farmers can avail benefits under various government. Government of India has been promoting large number of schemes. Few were mentioned by the come here. Essential farming equipment such as water pumps, sprinklers, backpack sprayers and biofertilizers will be provided at subsidized rates. These resources will help farmers in improving their efficiency, reduce manual labor and increase productivity. I firmly believe that our state has immense potential in agriculture, and with the right guidance, support and innovation, our farmers can achieve new heights of success. Let's take the new technology by staying rooted to the traditional wisdom. Let's work together to make Manipur a self-sufficient and prosperous agri. On this occasion, I urge all our farmers to make the most of this event, absorb valuable insights, implement them in their field, and I assure you that Government of Manipur will continue to support and stand with our farmers at every step. Let this Krishi Mela 2025 be a milestone in our journey for a brighter, prosperous agriculture future for state of Manipur. Thank you very much. Jai.
Kasi nung sa akin,